In this video, we are going to discuss about subtraction. Before entering into subtraction, we will discuss about what is meant by ones complement, twos complement, nines complement, and tens complement. Ones complement is taken only for binary numbers. So the ones complement and twos complement is taken only for binary numbers. It is obtained by changing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. For example, the given number is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. To get the ones complement for this number 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, our rule is to change 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, vice versa. Yes, the 1 is converted to 0. If it is 0, it is converted to 1. 1 is converted to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0. So for the given number 10101, the ones complement result is 01010. It is taken only for binary numbers. The given number is 0 means it is converted to 1. If it is 1 means it is converted to 0. It is called as ones complement. Two's complement is also taken only for the binary numbers. First, we have to take ones complement. For the obtained result, we have to add 1 to the LSB. Then we will get the two's complement answer. The same example, the given number 10101. First step, we have to take one's complement. So the 0 is converted to 1 and 1 is converted to 0. So the obtained result is 01010. Add 1 to the LSB. We are going to add 1 to the LSB. So 0 plus 1, 1. 1 as it is 0, 1, 0. So for the given number 10101, the two's complement answer is 01011. First step, we have to convert the given number into ones complement by converting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Then we have to add 1 to the obtained result to get the two's complement answer. Nines complement is taken for decimal numbers. How we will obtain nines complement? It is obtained by subtracting each digit by 9. For the given problem, each and every digit should be subtracted by 9 to get the nines complement. Example, find nines complement for 456, 456. So we are having 3 digits. So we have to subtract these 3 digits, each and every digit by 9. So 999 minus 456, normal subtraction, we will get the answer as 543. Tens complement is taken for decimal numbers. First, we have to take nines complement and the result is added with 1 to get the tens complement. So 999 minus 456, we will get 543. For the obtained result, we have to add 1. So the answer is 544. So for ones complement, the given number 0 is converted to 1 and 1 is converted to 0 to get the ones complement result. For two's complement, first step we have to take the ones complement, and for the obtained result we have to add 1 to the LSB to get the two's complement. Nines complement, each and every digit should be subtracted by 9 to get the nines complement. Tens complement, the nines complement result is added with 1 to get the tens complement. So ones and twos complement is will be taken only for binary numbers. 9s and 10s complement is taken only for decimal numbers. So there are 4 types of arithmetic operations available: addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. We are going to see binary subtraction. So the rules for the subtraction will be 0 minus 0 will be 0. 0 minus 1 will be 1, and borrow 1 from the next more significant bit. 1 minus 0 equal to 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. These are the 4 rules for binary subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1, 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. We know the rules for addition. 0 plus 0 will be 0. 0 plus 1 will be 1. 1 plus 0 will be 1. 1 plus 1 equal to sum and carry as 1. Sum is 1, carry is also 1. Like this, for binary subtraction, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is 1, borrow 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. We are going to see 4 categories in subtraction. Subtraction using 1's complement. We are going to see the procedure, how to do this subtraction using 1's complement, and then we are going to see with the help of an example. Like this, we are going to see subtraction using 1's complement, 2's complement, 9's complement, and 10's complement. 4 types of subtraction we are going to see, we are going to discuss now. First, subtraction using 1's complement. Let me consider as generalized format A minus B. What are the steps to do to subtract A minus B using 1's complement? First, step 1. Take 1's complement for B. So for the given number B, we have to take 1's complement. How to find out 1's complement? By converting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. And then second, step 2, add 1's complement result with A. So for the step 1 result, we have to add with A, the numbers present in A. Step 3, if carry occurs after addition, after step 2 result, if the result contains carry, take the carry and add it to the sum, which is called end around carry, and the answer is positive. If there is a carry in step 2 result, we have to add the carry with the sum. It is called as a end around carry, and the answer is in positive. If there is no carry in step 2 for the obtained result, if there is no carry, once again we have to take 1's complement for the step 2 result and add negative sign. The answer is a negative. So only 4 steps. First, we have to take 1's complement for B. The result is added with A. If there is a carry, we have to take the carry and add it, and it is the result is in positive. If there is no carry, once again we have to take the 1's complement for the result and add negative sign. Yes. First example, 9 minus 4 using 1's complement. This is of the form A minus B. We will take it as A minus B. A belongs to 9 and B belongs to 4. First, we have to convert equivalent binary number. For 9, the equivalent binary number we will know using 8421 code 1001. For 4, 010. What is the first step? Take 1's complement for B. What is B here? 0100. So for 0100, the 1's complement is by converting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So 0 is converted as 1. 1 is converted to 0. 0 is converted to 1. 0 is converted to 1. So the 1's complement for B is 1011. Then we have to add A. 1001 is added. So when we add 1011 with 1001, 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 0 carry over 1. 1 1 0. 0 carry over 1. 1 double 0. 1 carry over 0. 1 1 0 carry over 1. So there is a carry. If there is a carry, we have to add the carry to the LSB. So this carry is added. So the answer is 0101. It is of positive. So this is the problem based on what? One's complement. 9 minus 4 using one's complement. So for 4, we have to take the one's complement. So one's complement for 4 is 1011. It is added with A. What is A? 9. 9 would have value in a 1001. So when we add, we get the answer 10100. We are having a carry. If there is a carry, we have to add it to LSB. So the result is 0101. This is the binary subtraction using one's complement. Next we are going to see is next example. If it is a single digit, we can easily convert it using 18424. 57 minus 43. By successive division method, 57 we are going to divide by 2. So we will get the binary number 111001. For 43, if it is divided by 2, 21 twos are 42, remainder is 1. 10 twos are 20, remainder is 1. 5 twos are 10, remainder is 0. 2 twos are 4, remainder is 1. 1 2 is 2, remainder is 0. So the answer is 101011 for 43. So it is of the form A minus B. So B 43, for B we have to take the ones complement. So this 10101 will have the ones complement value 010100. This is going to get added with A. What is A? 111001. If we add with A, we will get the carry. If there is a carry, we have to add it with the LSB. If there is no carry, then we have to take one's complement for the obtained result and put negative sign. If there is a carry, we are going to add the carry and find out the result. The result is in positive. It is binary subtraction using one's complement. Subtraction using two's complement. The same step. Step 1, take 2's complement for B. Instead of 1's complement, here we are taking 2's complement for B. Add the result with A. So add A with complemented result. Step 3, if there is a carry, discard the carry. There we have find out if there is a carry, we have to add the carry with the LSB. Here in this rule, step 3, if there is a carry, discard the carry. If there is no carry, once again take 2's complement for the obtained result and add negative sign. This is same as that of 3. 1 and 3, the step get differ. There 1's complement, here 2's complement. There if there is a carry, we are going to add it to the sum. If there is a carry here, we are going to discard the carry using 2's complement. Yes, 9 minus 40, that is smaller number minus bigger number. So 9 minus 40. For 9, 1001. For 40, we are going to find out the binary number. So the binary number using L division method is 101000. We are going to write from top to bottom. So this is the way to find out the decimal to binary conversion. Yes. For B, we are going to take 2's complement. How to find out 2's complement? Find the 1's complement. Then the complemented result is added with 1 to get the 2's complement answer. So 40, 10, 1000. For this, the 1's complement is 0, 1, 0, 111. It is going to get added with 1 to find out the 2's complement. So 1 plus 1, 0 carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 0 carry over 1, 1 plus 0, 1, 1, 0. So the 2's complement for B 40 is 0, 11, 000. It is going to get added with A oda add pandrom. So the answer will be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 4 zeros, 1. There is no carry. See here, if there is a carry, we are going to discard the carry using 2's complement. If there is no carry, once again we have to take 2's complement for the obtained result. So for this result, take 1's complement and add 1 and put negative sign. So the answer is 0, 11, 1. So 0, 111 is the answer for 9 minus 40. Subtraction using 9's complement. So take 9's complement for B. Step 1, we have to take 9's complement for B. Step 2, add 9's complement result with A. Step 3, if there is a carry, if carry occurs, take the carry and add it to the sum. Step 4, if there is no carry, once again take 9's complement for the result and add negative sign. Find 22 minus 11 using 9's complement. So, it is of the form A minus B, right? First, we have to find out 9's complement for B. What is B value? 11. It consists of 2 digits. So, it is going to get subtracted by 99. 99 minus 11. So, the answer will be 88. This is step 1. Step 2, add A with complemented result. What is A here? 22. What is the complemented result here? 88. So 22 and 88. When we add 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. So 110. There is a carry. If there is a carry, add the carry. So 10 plus 1, 11. So 22 minus 11, 11 is the answer. So bigger number minus smaller number using 9's complement. So if there is a carry, we are going to add the carry. If the same problem, when we subtract a smaller number minus bigger number, obviously we will get a negative sign. There will be no carry. If there is no carry, once again we have to take the complement and put negative sign for the result. That will be the logic, right? Yes, see here, the same problem. 22 minus 11 using 9's complement, we will get the 11 answer. When it get reversed, see here, 11 minus 22 using 9's complement. First, we have to take 9's complement for 22. So 99 minus 22, the answer will be 77. Add A with the complemented result. A is here is 11. Complemented result is 77. So 77 plus 11, we will get 88. If there is no carry, once again we have to take 9's complement for the obtained result. What is the result here? 88. So 99 minus 88, what will be? 11. Put negative sign because we are subtracting a smaller number minus bigger number. So the logic is same, but we are implementing in a different way. That's all. See here, the next problem, 567 minus 124. On seeing this problem itself, we cancel, we will get a carry because the answer will be in a positive. Positive means we will get a carry, we are going to add the carry, that's all. So the B is 3 digits. So it will be going to get subtracted with 999 minus 124. So the answer will be 875. Add A with the complemented result. What is A here? 567. So 567 plus 875. We will get 1442. Here 1 is a carry, right? 5 plus 7, 12, 2 carry over 1. 7 plus 7, 14, 4 carry over 1. 9 plus 5, 14, 4 carry over 1. So this is a carry. This carry is going to add up to LSP. So we will get 443. So 567 minus 124 is 443. It is a positive sign. Last type of category of a subtraction is using tens complement. So take tens complement for B. Step 1. Step 2, add A with the complemented result. Step 3, if there is a carry, discard the carry. If there is a carry, we are going to discard the carry. If there is a no carry, once again take tens complement for the obtained result and add negative sign. So these are the 4 steps. We see an example. Find 22 minus 11 using tens complement. Subtract 22 minus 11 using tens complement. The same thing. It is of the form A minus B. A belongs to 22, B belongs to 11. We have to take tens complement for which one? 11. How to take tens complement? We have to find out 9's complement and the result is going to get added with 1 to get the result for 10's complement. So 99 is going to get subtracted with 11. So the answer will be 88. When it is added with 1, we will get the tens complement result 89. So 89. So this is 89 is going to get added with this is tens complement. So tens complement for 11 is 89. 9's complement answer is going to get added with 1. So the result of tens complement for result is going to get added with A. So 89 plus 22, we will get 111. 9 plus 2, 11, 1. 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11, 1. When there is a carry, we are going to discard the carry because 22 minus 11 is 11 only. So we are going to discard the carry. How the logic works perfectly, we will see here, right? Next. So this is when we reverse it, we will see this problem. The same problem 11 minus 22 using tens complement. Yes, 11 minus 22 using tens complement. So this is of the form A minus B. Here B is 22. So we are going to find out tens complement for 22. How to find out? First we have to subtract 22. 99 minus 22. What is the answer? 99 minus 22. 9 minus 2, 7. 77. This is 9's complement result. Yes, the problem is 10's complement. So add 1 with this. So 77 plus 1 is 78. This is the 10's complemented result for 22. 22 order 10's complement result is 78. Next step. Add the result with A. So 78 is going to get added with A. What is A here? 11. Yes. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 1, 8. There is no carry. If there is no carry, what is the step 4? We have to take tens complement for this obtained result. So how to find out tens complement for the obtained result? Yes, 99 minus 89. We are going to subtract the obtained result by 99. So 9 minus 9, 0. 8 by 9 minus 8 will be 1, right? This is going to get, this is 9th complement result. This is going to get added with 1. So 10 plus 1 will be 11. Is it correct? And put negative sign because 11 minus 22 will consist Yes, that's all we have seen about the subtraction concept. 1's complement, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 2's complement, obtained 1's complement and add 1, 9's complement, each and every digit should be subtracted by 9. 10's complement, the 9's complement answer is going to get added with 1. So this is the rules for binary subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 1, borrow 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So subtraction using 1's complement. So we have to take 1's complement for B, add 1's complement result with A. If carry occurs, take the carry and add it to the sum, which is called end around carry, and the answer is positive. If there is no carry, once again take 1's complement for the result and add negative sign. Subtraction using 2's complement, take 2's complement for B. Step 2, add A with the complemented result. Step 3, if there is a carry, discard the carry. If there is no carry, once again take 2's complement for the obtained result and add negative sign. Subtraction using 9's complement, take 9's complement for B. Step 2, add 9's complement result with A. Step 3, if carry occurs, take the carry and add it to the sum. Step 4, if there is no carry, once again take 9's complement for the result and add negative sign. Last one, subtraction using 10's complement. Take 10's complement for B, add A with the complemented result. Step 3, if there is a carry, discard the carry. If there is no carry, once again take 10's complement of the obtained result and add negative sign. Yes, let me summarize by having a table like this. So 1's complement, 2's complement, 9's complement, 10's complement, right? What is step 1 for all the things? Step 1. First, if it is of the form A minus B, if it is of the form A minus B, take 1's complement for B. Here, take 2's complement for B. Here, take 9's complement for B. Here, take 10's complement for B. This is step 1, right? Step 2. Add A with step 1 result. This is same for whatever the complement is. If it is 1's complement also, add A with step 1 result. Here also add A with step 1 result. Here also add A with step 1 result. Here also add A with step 1 result. Third, yes, third step. If there is a carry, what about carry? If there is a carry, we have to add the carry to the result. It is called as a end around carry. If there is a carry, discard the carry. If there is a carry, add the carry to the result and answer is positive. If there is a carry, then we have to discard the carry. This is step 3. Step 4. If there is no carry, if there is no carry, once again we have to take 1's complement for the obtained result and put negative sign. Here, if there is a no carry, then you have to take 2's complement for the obtained result and add negative sign. Here, if there is a no carry, take 9's complement for the obtained result and add negative sign. Here, if there is a no carry, then we have to take 10's complement for the result and we have to add negative sign. So that's all about our subtraction concept. So this can be implemented in BCD subtraction. If it is a BCD subtraction, then the BCD will stands for 0 to 9 is called as a valid BCD. If we obtain the result in an invalid BCD, we have to convert into valid BCD and then we have to do the BCD subtraction. So the subtraction, the rules for subtraction is 0 minus 0 will be 0, 0 minus 1 will be 1, borrow 1, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So there are 4 categories of subtraction using 1's complement, 2's complement, 9's complement and 10's complement. It is summarized in this table. Step 1, first step we have to take the complement for the given problem. So if it is of the category A minus B, first step we have to find out 1's complement for B. Here we have to find out 2's complement for B. Here we have to find out 9's complement for B. Here we have to find out 10's complement for B. Step 2, the step 1 result is going to get added with A. This is same for all. A plus step 1 result, A plus step 1 result, A plus step 1 result, A plus step 1 result. What is step 1 result? That is the complemented result. And step 3, if there is a carry, then we have to add the carry to the sum to get the enter. That carry is called end around carry, that is added to the LSB to answer is B in a positive. Here we are going to discard the carry. We are not going to consider carry. We have to remove the carry in 2's complement. 9's complement we are going to add. 10's complement we are going to discard the carry. If there is no carry, we have to take the complement, necessary complement given in the problem, and the answer is in negative, so we have to add negative sign. So the 1's and 9 complement will have the same procedure. See here, B 1's complement, 9's complement. A plus step 1 result, A plus step 1 result. We are going to add the carry, we are going to add the carry. If there is no carry, take the complement and put negative sign. Like this, 2 and 10 complement will have the same procedure. Take 2's complement for B, take 10's complement for B. Add A with complement result, here also add A with it. If there is a carry, discard the carry, here also discard the carry. If there is no carry, take the complement given in the problem. If it is a 2's complement or 10's complement and add negative sign. Obviously, it will be of a negative sign. When these negative sign will occur, when the no carry condition will occur, only when we subtract a smaller number minus bigger number. On seeing this problem, we can identify this no carry condition occurs only when we subtract a smaller number minus bigger number. If we subtract a bigger number minus smaller number, surely it will fall under the category of a carry. So we have to add the carry. The no carry condition occur only when we subtract a smaller number minus bigger number. That's all about our binary subtraction concept. This is the next problem. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 1's complement. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 1's complement. Yes. Now we are going to subtract 10 minus 8 using 1's complement. This is of the form A minus B. First step, we have to convert this decimal number into binary number. Yes, we know that using 8421 code, the decimal value 10 is equivalent to the binary number. If it is divided by 2 binary, we will get the answer 1, 0, 1, 0. Next, what is this? A minus B? B value is H. Then the equivalent binary number for 8 will be 1 triple 0. Yes. Now we are going to subtract 1010 by 1000 using 1's complement. So the given question is 1's complement, A minus B. So the first step, we have to take 1's complement for B. What is B here? B is 1000. 1's complement is nothing but changing 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So for 1's complement of 1000, we are going to change 1 as 0 and 0 is 1. So 1000 is converted into 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the 1's complement representation of the binary number 1000 is 0, 1. Next step. Now we are going to add this 10 binary number 1010 with 1's complement of B. We are going to add this with 1's complement for B. This is our second step. So this is going to get added with 0, 111. Yes. Now what will be the answer? It will be 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry over 1. 1, 1, 0 is 0, carry over 1. That is a carry. This carry is called as end around carry. So the next step, we are going to add this carry to the sum. Yes. Now what will be the answer? 1 plus 1 will be 0. Carry over 1. 0 plus 1 will be 1. 0, 0. So the answer for 8 is 0, 0, 1, 0. This is equivalent to the decimal number 8421. So 2. 10 minus 2. 8 is 2. We got the answer. This is the way how we are going to convert 10 minus 8 using 1's complement. Take down. Next problem. Subtract 8 minus 10 using 1's complement. Subtract Yes, we know the binary value for 8 will be 1000. 10 will be 1010. Now we are going to find out last problem. Yes, 8 minus 10. First we have to find out what is the 10. Binary value for 10 will be, what is the binary value for 10? 1010. The equivalent 1's complement for 1010 will be 0, 1, 0, 1. This is the 1's complement for the binary value 1010. Now we are going to add the binary value of 8. What is the binary value of 8 will be 1000 is going to get added with 0101. Yes, what is the answer? 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. There is no carry. If there is carry, we are going to add it to the sum. If there is no carry, once again we have to take 1's complement for the obtained result. This is the obtained result, right? We are going to take 1's complement for the obtained result. Yes, we are going to take 1's complement for this obtained results. 1's complement is nothing but changing 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Now the value changed to 0, 0, 1, 0. This is the binary value for, and put negative sign. We are going to take 8 minus 10. The value of 8 minus 10 will be minus 2. Yes, we got the result. If using A minus B, we are going to take 1's complement for B, and then we are going to get add with A. If there is a carry, then we have to add it with the sum and get the result. If there is no carry, once again take the 1's complement for the obtained result and put negative. Smaller number minus bigger number means there is no carry. If we subtract a bigger number minus smaller number means surely there will be a carry. When we subtract a smaller number minus bigger number, there will be no carry. So we have to take 1's complement for the obtained result and we are going to put negative sign. Next problem. Subtract. That's all about 1's complement. The same problem we are going to see in all the complements. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 2's complement. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 2's complement. Yes, now for 8, the binary value will be 1, 0, 0, 0. For this 1 triple 0, the 1's complement will be 0, triple 1. The question is, we are going to find out 2's complement. So 1's complement plus 1 will give the result of 2's complement. So 1 plus 1, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry over 1. So the answer 1 plus 0 is 0. So the answer will be 1 triple 0, right? Answer will be 1 triple 0. This is 2's complement for 8, right? Now we are going to add. Now we are going to add with the binary value for 10. So what is the binary value for 10 is 10, 10. Now it is going to get added with the 2's complement result of 8 is 1000. We are going to add these two. When we add these two, we will get the answer 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 1, 0, carry over 1. If there is a carry in 2's complement, then the rule is discard the carry. So the result will be 0, 0, 1, 0. We got the result, obtained result. This is the subtraction using 2's complement. Next is subtract Subtract 8 minus 10 using 2's complement. Subtract 8 minus 10 using 2's complement. For 10, the binary value for 10 is 1010. The ones complement representation for 10 will be 0101. The 2's complement, we are going to add 1 with this. So 1 plus 1 0, carry over 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 0. This is the 2's complement for the decimal number 10 is 0110. Now it is going to get added with A. A is 8. 8 means 1000. It is going to get added with 0110. When we add this thing, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 0, 1110. If there is no carry, the same rule, if there is a carry, discard the carry. If there is a no carry, we have to take 2's complement for the obtained result. What is the formula to find 2's complement? First, we have to find the 1's complement for the result. So the 1's complement for the result 1110 will be 0111. It is going to get added with the number 1. So the answer will be 0010. And add negative sign. So 001 minus 0010, that will be minus 2. This is the result for 8 minus 10 using 2's complement. Next, subtract 10 minus 8 using 9's complement. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 9's complement. First, we have to find out the 9's complement for 8. First thing, we have to check 10 minus 8. We have to equalize the digit. Then only we will get the correct answer. It consists of 2 bits, 1 0. But 8 consists of only 1 bit. So before subtracting by 9's complement, we have to equalize the digit. So this 8 is going to get subtracted by 99. If we subtract 9 minus 8, then the answer you will get in a wrong way. So this is going to equalize the digit because A consists of 2 digits. So 99 is going to subtracted because each and every digit should be subtracted by 9. That is called 9's complement. Here we are having only one digit, so 9 minus 8 is correct, but we can't get the correct answer. The first step we have to do is we have to equalize that. So 99 minus 8. So the answer will be the same formula. 1's complement and 9's complement procedure will be same. First step, we have to subtract B by 9's complement. Then the result is going to get added with A. What is A here? A is 10. What is the result we have obtained is 91. So 10 is going to get added with the obtained result 91. So what will be the answer? 1, 9, normal addition. 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0, carry over 1. If there is a carry, yes, if there is a carry, then we have to add the carry. So 0, 1 plus 1. What is will be answer? Will be 2. This is the answer for 10 minus 8 using 9's. So step 1, we have to take 9's complement for B. Step 2, we have to add the 9's complement result with A. If there is a carry, we have to add the carry and find the result. If there is no carry, once again we have to take the 9's complement for the obtained result and put negative sign. This is the procedure. Next time we will see without carry. That is smaller number minus bigger number, right? Next sum. Subtract 8 minus 10 using 9's complement. Subtract 8 minus 10 using 9's complement. Eight minus 10. Now, A minus B. A is 8, B is 10. How to find out 9's complement? Each and every digit should be subtracted by 9. B is having 2 digits. So, we are going to subtract B, that is 10, by 99. 99 minus 10. So the answer will be 89. The result is going to get added with A. What will be A? I told we have to equalize the digits. So B consists of 2 digits. So A also must consist of 2 digits. So 0, 8 is going to get added with 89. That is the result of 9's complement. Normal addition, when we add this, we will get the answer as 97. If there is no carry, So once again take 9's complement for the obtained result. What will be the 9? It consists of 2. So the answer will be 2. And we have to add negative sign. So the answer will be minus 2. This is subtraction of a smaller number minus bigger number using 9's complement. The next example we are going to see is bigger number minus smaller number using 10's complement. Smaller number minus bigger number using 10's complement. Subtract 10 minus 8. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 10's complement. Subtract 10 minus 8 using 10's complement. Tens complement means 9's complement plus 1 will be the 10's complement result, right? So 99, 9's complement. First we have to find out 9's complement. So 9's complement for the number 8 will be What is the answer? 91. For this result, we have to add 1 to get the tens complement. So the answer will be 92. So when we subtract each and every, that 9's complement result is obtained by subtracting each and every digit by 9, and the obtained result is added with 1 to get the tens complement value. That is 92. Now it is going to get added with A. So 92 plus, what is A? A here is 10. So we will get the answer. 92 plus 1 will be 102. Right? Discard the carry. When we discard the carry, the answer will be 2. This is the answer for the subtraction of 10 minus 8 using tens. Right? Next time. Subtract 8 minus 10 using tens complement. We will get reverse of this problem. Subtract, we can do 8 minus 10 using tens complement. Yes, the same thing. 99 is going to get subtracted by 10. We will get the answer as 89. Right? It is going to get added with 1. So the answer will be 90. This is the tens complement for age. Now this is going to get added with A. So when we get added with A, if there is no carry, once again we have to take tens complement. Once again we have to take tens complement for the obtained result and put negative sign, right? So 99 is going to get subtracted by 10. We will get the result 89. It is going to get added with 1. We will get the answer as 90, right? Now, what will be there? 90, what is that? 90. 90 is, we have to add it with the A. What is A? 10. So when we add, we will get, what is the answer? 90 plus 10 will be 100. So there will be a carry. If there is a carry, if what is that? What is the rule for a tens complement? Add A minus B. Yes, it's the same procedure we have to follow. What is the rule for a tens complement is, first we have to take tens complement for B, right? Then we have to find out what is that, add A with the result. Then if there is a carry, we have to discard the carry. If there is no carry, once again, if there is a carry, we have to discard the carry. If there is no carry, once again we have to take tens complement for the obtained result and put negative sign. The same procedure we have to follow, right? So this is ones and nines complement will have the same steps, more or less in the steps like that. What like that? Twos and tens complement, mostly having the twos and tens complement, mostly we are having the same.